Hey, take me out. Oh, this is so pretty.
Oh, they do the Disney thing, the Christmas thing here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
I would love to try that when they come and do it.
They can't go on water.
They have the ponds. That's where they would like do concerts.
I think there's fishes in there.
Yeah, there are fishes in there.
Okay,
And then they do.
There's no water.
Yeah, it's dry.
Look.
Okay, let's wait for mommy.
Welcome, everybody.
Yes, welcome everybody. We are here at Look Park in Northampton. We haven't been here in years, so other families coming in soon, and we're just gonna have a good family time.
I made a map for our home. I'm gonna make that outside. Hey, Mommy, why do you only have one seat? That's where they're not going a lot of people.
I know. Hello. Good. How are you?
How can I help you?
Yeah, maps for the park.
That's what we're gonna do. We want to do the splash park and everything. And then the sweet shop is like just a little bit past that, yeah.
Yeah, so we and then so we're going to do the grill. This is where you're going to get like hamburgers and all of that. And then we show that.
Yeah.
You train over there.
Hey,
Walking or driving.
stop that. Turn around and look. Are you recording?
Oh,
You got her?
You got it on camera?
yeah.
You recorded it?
About picture with. Did you guys want to grab food first? Because I know it's lunch, or what do you guys want to do?
I'm sure.
Hi. Okay.
It's
So that-
me, the star.
So then we just have to drive around so you guys can follow us. And we're gonna, cause they have a grill section in the sweet shop, so you can do that, and then we can. Yep, there's a bathroom. Excuse me. So they have the train that we can go on, which will be super cool.
Come on.
Mommy, Daddy, I can't see the train.
I went like this, and I thought my whole taco.
Like waterfall.
She did this.
The cactus.
Mira, nena, y
What?
después tú haces así.
Yeah, right. It did the wave.
I guarantee you I'm stepping on some food.
I'm walking around it trying.
There's a lot of poop.
What the? Come on.
This way no one park over here.
Yeah, not the, mira, ahora
No.
Stang.
Did you tell her?
Yes.
Okay.
I was so mad, I was still mad.
Go straight.
I'm gonna put it
No, but I get
Then
it.
go try to catch one.
What's Steve?
Right.
But I shall walk.
Miss Addie dancing with her. You gotta do it again.
But he's walking.
And they're looking at her. And, okay. They're like, okay, I'm done.
Yeah, they were done with me.
Oh, wait, you gotta do the song.
See, they don't want to be touched. Okay, come on, come on. They wild, mommy. They don't like being touched. I know, mama. But now, if you have bread, then maybe they will come to you. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
When there's more than one, you say geese. Geese. Well, hello. See, because I can't pet them. They'll bite me. I could just imagine they'll bite you. Well, we don't got bread. Come on. Bless you.
We should have driven over here and parked here.
That's okay. Get our steps in. We would have had to drive all the way around because it's one way.
Oh.
I have an issue with that. Yeah. Right now, yeah, we left at 10 because I'm checking it out and all came and we were like,
Not a father.
get there exactly.
Not big on, por eso que orange chicken yo no te lo hago. Even though it tastes good, I won't do it because
I was going to go wash my hands.
it's delayed.
I'll be back. I'm going to wash my hands.
Be good, don't forget. Oh, she says she's a superhero, right, Ziva? You know, eso, he'll eat it, but he's not gonna serve it.
But he's gonna be like,
Pero yo hago lo mismo, yes. You burn some food, I'll eat it and give you the one that's not burnt.
Mm-hmm.
está grabando saliendo del baño. ¿Ah?
Oh, yeah, I also teach my stuff.
I got 3 younger siblings. I took them all down. I'm like, okay, this is what I learned today. So
And the hamburger. The hamburger. Yeah, go this one.
Getting our food.
What about your grilled cheese?
I just know how BB's.
Okay, ready, Ziva girl?
Yep.
Get the mayonnaise for your daddy. Uh-huh. Just the voice. I can hold it, baby.
I'm still thinking about that video.
Chico, pay attention when you're recording and walking.
And you gotta record the kielbasa.
He's like, okay.
This is actually a small kielbasa.
This is Eva.
Yes, yes.
Eva, why it look better than mine? About to talk.
Mayonnaise.
These chips
What?
or these
That's it?
ones. These ones.
Yeah. Because then we have the chips. They don't do fries.
Okay.
No, I checked.
So lemonade, Fanta.
Oh, the other. No,
You're supposed to try it.
You said you want to know how it tastes.
Girl, you're not
That's my
supposed to
funky.
smell it. You know you
I
tell your
wanna smell
children.
it. I wanna smell it.
What? I
Why
don't
you-
tell them that.
Why you smelling?
I wanna
I
smell
let
it.
them smell it.
Mommy, I
Why
wanna
you
smell it.
smelling? Why you
Cut it
smelling?
out.
It's a habit from
No,
culinary school.
you will not. You will lose the taste after.
So,
I wanna
It's
smell
okay.
it.
what is it?
Fanta and lemonade.
Taste it.
No.
Girl, if you don't taste, why you
listen,
putting it,
if
your
there was
finger
a
over it?
straw
You're
in there,
dusty.
she would have put it in her nostril.
Yeah.
I'm speaking from experience.
I like it.
You like it?
You like it? After you tasted your hand?
You again soon.
It's good.
What'd you get, Josiah? What you gonna eat?
What you train someone?
A burger or a cheeseburger?
I saw that coming. There's good.
What number are we?
24.
Tastes funky.
All right, Lord,
Taste
I'm sorry.
funky?
Stop.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, so he don't like it.
You think he would be a really nice friend and let me use one of those? You have one and I have one.
You take pictures with
You
it?
see her face?
She's so cute. She said,
She's like, I don't know if I'm there at our friendship level.
said,
Don't even exhibit. Don't even.
I thought about Friends when it was like, Joey doesn't share food.
Oh. Come on. Just frolic. How do you frolic with the children?
Frolic. I ain't falling. That's a hard fall.
I didn't say fall, frolic. You know what frolicking is, right?
No, what's that mean?
Like this. Come here.
Skipping?
Like this. Come here. Ziva, come on. Let's frolic. Ready? Ready? Like this.
Oh, we're skipping, but kind of like.
Like that. Yeah. See? Yeah.
Go.
I feel everything tickle.
I know it.
I said, I feel everything jiggling.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But whoever wakes up early gets the worms.
Mm-hmm.
The early bird gets the worm.
That's right.
And when you have kids, you gotta always be ready.
Yeah. Yeah. Because especially people will be having last minute things, so you have to stay ready.
Run!
Don't run, he died!
Go ahead, Josiah.
Stop! Hey! Stop! Go! Don't get mad. Run.
Come on, Myron.
Let him be.
My shorts are running up.
Oh, I see a lot of boo-boo.
Oh, from the geese?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, ay, mira que mierda.
Yo, Myron, I've never seen Myron get upset.
He
Well, I mean,
does.
I've seen him get upset, but like, not for that. Why? Because he was about to lose?
Yeah. And Ari did it without telling him.
Myron!
Look at him running.
Déjalo.
Just, yeah, it's just,
Mientras más tú you acknowledge
Yeah.
him, he'll be fussing. Gotta kind of ignore him, and then he'll be like, all right, then I have to put it mine.
It was only like, there was one more bird here left.
That boy,
Look,
looking
look,
like
look.
he owed child support.
look.
That would be joking.
One of my friends, his son, he'll charge like, if he does like $48 a lesson, but I think he was like so like
Per person?
Yeah, I think I have to double check with him, but I don't know if he's my friend.
I know she told me 40 and I was like, per person is steep because that's
Who?
80.
Who?
Yeah.
No.
So well, I
Who?
don't know if it's like, yeah. I mean, I think that means like one-on-one. Okay. So I don't know, but.
All the way down.
It's amazing how much harder it was when I stopped paddling.
You guys know how to swim, but you need it.
Do you want Myron to have one?
No, it's fine.
Just in case it's deep.
He knows how to swim.
All right, let's go, guys.
I want to swim in there. Or you want to swim?
What's your name? Henry. Henry. Sir Henry's waiting. Come on, y'all.
Who you gonna take, Siva or Myron?
It don't matter.
Myron, who you wanna go with?
Both groups can come out. Okay, it's only 2 boats, so it'll be 4 of us on one and 3 on the other.
Okay, that's it. And then we switch, or how is it gonna be?
No, we got 30 minutes, so we'll just, we're going down there again.
You want the kids to sit in the back, and then we pile them because it's gonna be hard for them.
Yeah.
What color?
I want to go on green with mommy.
Okay, so let's go green.
Yeah, we're gonna all go together on the green.
No, it's water. Yeah, Titi and them go in the green. So who wants the green?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay, let's go on that one. All right, you guys get in the back.
Come here, Joe. So you wanna sit in the back. Grab a seat.
Yeah, go ahead
Right
and
there.
sit.
Sit.
Go ahead, Marion, you too.
No, sit right there, Myron.
Okay, there you get on that side, I'll get on this side. There, there's a spider.
Yeah.
You see it? In that corner. Make sure you get it.
Well, I don't see no spider.
It's there.
Oh yeah. Give me something to.
Yeah, it's in the corner. We'll turn on this corner, right? Hold on, before I back my butt cheek. All right.
Make sure you don't drop nothing.
I'm scared.
Go ahead. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pedal forward, go forward. Pedal back, just go in reverse. Middle thing is steer, left and right.
Okay.
And it's just one way, so once you get out, you just gotta go right. You just can't go back.
Okay.
Sound good.
Alright.
How you do?
Good, how about you?
Good.
You guys have fun.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Thank you. You guys better stay still. Myron.
Start moving.
Can you,
You want to steer?
Whatever.
One way, please not go back this way. If you hold it around.
You gotta steer. Push.
I don't like this. There's water coming in.
That might show me a flag when you come around. Make decision to go again. So standing up, switching places while we're on the water. If you'd like to switch places, that would be a flap. You can dog and switch from there.
The way that like get the dragonfly.
No, get faster. You got legs of flash? Get faster and you faster?
Yeah.
You see Ziva?
Yeah. I see that. You got water on your side too?
It's too green, mommy. You gotta. Myron, don't touch the water. It's nasty. Oh, you gotta turn. Turn
I am
that.
turning.
Put a straight.
feels cold.
Told you. You want to steer?
No, you gotta steer.
And we're only like 2 minutes in and I feel it.
Oh my God. Ziva, don't touch the water, mommy. It's nasty. No, don't smell it. What's that big ball in there? You see it?
Yeah.
They look like worm.
The boy last how you doing, he said? I'm doing good. Like he looked weirded out.
You are.
An animal from a different zombie.
Yeah.
Got him here 2:40, so we got until 3:10.
My phone is almost falling.
Little creatures are water creatures.
Mm-hmm. You like it?
I'm sweating. Already. I feel it in my knees.
This is a lot.
Yeah. We got a half hour of this. We just got started.
Yeah.
It's too late. We can't turn back.
Hell no.
Nope.
Yeah, don't let go of that steering wheel.
You scared?
No. No,
What is that?
I don't know, that's feathers. From the ducks. The geeses.
I see that.
Yeah.
I really want to.
It ain't too late. We got it out.
Yes, they did before.
We have an out?
Go ahead, jump.
No, no, it's okay.
Viste, grábase ustedes.
All right, let's take a break.
No, baby, keep going.
Babe, let me get my legs a break, Dag.
Go in front so I can record you guys.
Ooh,
No, just put it here.
Let me.
Okay.
Give me my soda.
Wait, no, don't drink in here because I don't want you to. Oh, this is fun.
This is nice.
I don't know what way we go.
Mommy, you gotta keep
Let
the.
me go this way?
Yeah, you see that big eggs thing?
Yeah. What's that?
I don't know. That's animals living there. That's an egg.
Okay.
You gotta tell me.
I'm turning. Hey. Hey.
What?
Don't stop paddling.
Why? Slow down.
Why?
Slow down, son. I wanted them to go in front of us.
I feel like we're going to.
You're not gonna tip over, mommy.
But I feel like you're like heavy.
I'm heavy.
Yes.
We're gonna go down.
I was going around the tree.
We might get stuck.
Nope. You guys, you see the tree that fell in?
What the?
Should have brought the umbrella.
Yeah, it's in the car.
Hot. Okay. Well, look at the bench that's right there.
See what? No, sit right, mommy. Because you can't be like that, baby. My friend, sit back.
What?
Gosh.
I need this.
Oh, so you guys gotta go in a circle. Okay. I don't know.
Wait, who look like what?
Daddy, you see the little water creatures?
Mm-hmm.
They want the water.
Yeah. And then the frogs.
We learned it from somewhere.
Yeah. Look, a fish. Look, a fish.
A fish.
You saw? Fish, two fish. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. There's two fishes.
I can't
I don't see it.
And they went bye-bye because we moved. You guys gotta pay attention to the phone.
No, I see one.
Dag, baby, really?
Right there, Myra.
I see fish.
Mm.
It's a black fish.
Couldn't hold it.
Yeah, but we stuck here. Exactly.
Yeah, we're just bumping her head.
Dag, babe, come on. Ew. Make us suffer like that.
Wow. Marvin, sit down.
We're waiting for Larissa.
I'll turn this on. 2:45. The sun, mommy. Because we're in the middle of the sun. They're coming from us. They're coming for us. So you gotta be careful, okay?
Daddy, come on, kid.
There you go. This side is miserable.
Ah, he's tired.
You okay, Josiah?
You tired? Oh.
Yo, I feel this in my hips.
Mine.
Forest Park should do this.
They do. They just started it.
Oh yeah.
It's new this year.
Yeah. We gotta go and try it out. Because we might do longer in Forest Park. Because they have a long river.
Put this here.
Oh, let's go over there. You see
That
the
bridge?
water? Yeah, you see
Okay.
the water? Faster.
They get faster. My hips already like.
Daddy, if we're going faster, you have to paddle too.
Yeah, I'm doing fast. Mommy's the one going slow.
My hips hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Shining. It'll be nice if it was one of the if it was a little faster and you could do that. Whoosh.
Oh yeah, like the speedboats.
Hold on.
You see fish?
Da-da-da.
Mm.
Where
Where's the fishies?
Right there.
Oh, I do see them. Guys, there's little fishies here.
We can even fish here.
No, mommy, they're too small.
Why?
They're too small. No, they're too small. Okay, baby, dale, que te solta pinga. Oh, there's a one in front of the fish.
A who?
The fish in front of it.
Oh, guys, look at guys, the fishies right here.
Wow, I see that too. Underwater view.
Let's go bomb the wedding. Yeah. There's people coming. Oh, we can go that way. The other people went wrong. You heard?
Yeah, we're supposed to go around.
Yeah, there's people that went wrong. Oh, oh, oh. Go this side, this side.
That's right here, kid. We'll turn.
Yeah. That's a dragonfly, woman. It's good. They eat the mosquito.
Yeah, but I don't want it on my skin. Look at guys, the fishies.
It's a spider.
Where?
Right here on the river. I saw that.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Hello. I see all the dragonflies. They're blue. No, they eat the mosquitoes.
Oh, we need some of those at home.
Yeah, legit. We're going straight. There we go.
I'll make you go this way. We can't crap. We're going, but we're going this way. Follow the man lead. Follow the man lead.
Waiting for mommy, Mom.
I just paddle.
I legit feel this in my hip.
I just paddle.
No, papi.
Why not?
You're too small.
Gotta turn it up. Yo, for real, I'll be like, oh, I fell.
I want to paddle now.
No, you guys are too small for it, mommy.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
It's too hard.
The umbrella is hot.
Oh, okay. You're trying to keep next to Larissa.
Definitely the front is better than sitting in the back.
Yeah.
En el back, ¿verdad? So te creen que no te se va a ir la-
Yeah, I'm here.
We saw the skinny ones, and then we saw the fatter ones.
What about this?
No, you didn't.
Why not? Why not did it? Daddy, why not?
Yeah, he wanted to get closer over there. That's okay.
Because it's not living river.
Oh, it is a little river. I see it moving.
Yeah, we're gonna go all around.
I'm gonna go and then turn that.
What about a tunnel right
No, we
No,
can't,
we
go,
can't go through there,
We
Papa.
gotta turn back.
Why we can't go through there?
It's too small. We won't fit. Oh, finally got it.
Oh, that's why I came over here. I was like, let's get in the shade first.
Much better.
Ready?
cleaned me up, he made me whole. Rewrote my life, gave me a soul. I'm not patched up, I'm reborn. Truth hit hard like a lion's roar. Old thoughts fade, new mind grow. Walking light, no shadows. He paid the cost, now I know. Freedom deep in my soul. I'm completely new. All I go, truth came through.
We're going toward the bushes.
In Jesus' name, I'm brand new. In Jesus' name, I'm brand new. People ask how I changed so fast. I said Jesus came and broke my past. Ain't no math, it's real from root. Speak from Christ, not from Lou. World said Polish up, look clean. He said die.
Baby, we are stuck on the boat with you. Come on.
That's life.
Yeah, you smell it, right? You smell it. Suffer.
Go that way. Where you going to turn that way? Oh, look at you. You want to crouch on the way. Diva? Say, mommy.
All right, breathe. Woo, me legs.
I know, mommy. Good to go. You're going wedding picture, family picture. Sit down, Siva.
What? No.
I like the green hair.
It'd be nice to come here and take pictures.
Yeah. See what look?
For their school pictures.
Yeah. Look at the green hair, Siva. Like zombie.
Yeah. This girl's in zombie.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Huh? Someone's about to die? They go change.
No, it's been on the same song 3 times. I was on repeat.
Oh.
You guys see the flowers over there?
Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Mommy, can I turn a reel? Yeah. We do a can.
So that goes this way and this goes that way and in the middle keeps this.
Grace got me.
Hold on, give me a minute with the pattern.
I'm like driving.
Hold on.
Mommy, I'm saying I like driving.
Look at the dragonfly on the feather.
Oh, I never see a dragonfly.
Look at that one. It's so small. Go.
Going that way. Now we're turning.
What about check? What about check?
Hey!
Look at George Cooper dragonfly.
That takes a long time. We've already been out here 20 minutes. Hey! What?
You're gonna scare him. Marvin, stop moving. Stay right. Oh, wow. Stop moving, Marvin. Huh?
Ready? That wind feels so good.
Finally.
Marvin, sit down. Sit the right way, Marvin. Sit the right way. No? Put your feet out. Marvin, no. Papi, you gotta sit the right way. Sit up straight. Hold it straight. No?
attention, girl. Watch, I make us go into them rocks. Okay, no, let go, let go.
Good job. No, you did good, mommy. Oh, some other rocks fell. Oh, you gotta turn, mommy.
Okay, sit right, Ziva.
Sit right, Myron and Ziva. Sit right.
This is fun.
Mm-hmm. Then we're gonna do the train.
Ooh. Imagine if you had a paddle.
Mm-hmm. You guys will be tired.
I wish you can have a little paddle that goes a little fast in the back.
No, I got it.
Mommy, when I sit, it's bothering me.
Why?
Because look, when I sit, it's bothering
Yeah,
me.
because you're sitting right there, mommy. You gotta sit over there.
No, when she sits, that thing goes up, but she has to have it on while we're here.
Yeah.
We're about to be done anyway.
You don't want to do the train? You gotta do the train and then we gotta get on. I'm not pedaling, maybe. Oh, okay. I'm not pedaling. Not pedaling. Ah, she said she wanted to pedal by herself.
I did it. We gotta get moving. They're behind us and they can't come on the side of us.
And the thing is getting water.
Because the weight's uneven. I noticed
You're supposed to keep moving.
That's Myron. Whoever he says
Yeah.
is where.
Imagine if they put a baby fox statue there.
Yes, the shade. What do you mean?
Nothing, papi. I just had an idea. You took the chapstick off, see? You were messing with it? Huh? The lips clap? Oh, damn. I thought we were there.
We gotta go all the way around.
Yeah.
This is fun.
Mm-hmm. Do you have the keys?
No, you have the keys.
No, I don't have the keys.
Baby.
I don't have the keys. I don't have the keys.
That's in the car?
Maybe.
Come on. No, we can't drive. Hey,
I want a bike
look.
like that with a basket.
Huh? Yeah. You can put it.
We've been out here for 25 minutes already. Right? And it seems like it wasn't.
Do we gotta turn around?
Mommy,
That way, baby.
That way?
is that a waterfall?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
Look
know.
at stream.
No, we can't go through there, Zero.
Okay, breathe.
Why?
Because we will fall, mommy.
Or the boat will get stuck, we can get hurt, okay?
We can just hold on so tight.
No, still, mommy. It would have been cool to go all around, but that's too much.
I would be there for like an hour and a half trying to get back.
Okay, we gotta pet it because if not, it's gonna take us there.
Huh?
We gotta pet it, if not, it's gonna take us.
It's not gonna take us, we got power.
Okay, está bien.
Babe, seriously? Cut the crap!
I'm gassy. You got good luck with your
Alright, babe, come on! No!
It's the water that stinks.
Get water, any water!
Oh yeah, now I know what you meant. It's because the ducks are in
bit
And
high.
we can't hit them. But it's just a little. But it was cool. I'm looking at it. I guess that's where they if we want to, we can sit there, look at the ducks, and then we can come back paddle. What?
Let's get it to the corner.
Right on time. Got 5 more minutes.
Yeah, the 5 more minutes gonna be parqueado.
Legit.
There
I have
was
the car.
behind us.
I have the keys in the car because I don't have them. We made it.
I want to go again.
Oh no, mommy.
Why?
You can go by yourself paddling.
Yeah.
I feel it in my hip.
He's tired.
Lions and tigers and bears.
That's right. What else you see, Larissa?
Ooh. See danger ahead. That's what I see.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Nothing like nature, right? Got Josiah being a young adult man.
the leader, the captain. The captain. You seen that face he gave me?
Yes, I saw.
The
What's
captain of our boat.
Josiah? What's the face? Do it again. That's-
There's some Dominicans in their natural habitat.
I can't with you right now.
Yeah,
Yo,
we need to put books right
if the phone fell in there, would you get it?
Oh, no, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Me either. Josiah, you'll get it?
If your phone fell inside? You
Oh,
would jump in
wow,
there,
that's
not
gangster.
knowing what's gonna
Yeah, no, this
how
water's
deep
not
it
that
is?
clean. I don't know what's in here, y'all. It's beautiful, but if you can't see the ground, I don't know what's in there.
I don't know what's in
This is too much water.
Look at me being all in the insurance thing.
Hey, you Dominican people.
¿Qué lo que?
¿Qué es lo que hay? Okay. Why Adi look like that?
In sneakers?
No, you're going the wrong way.
I just told you that.
Nobody said to do anything.
We're supposed to be following them. We're going to
Are you serious?
Yeah, so we'll get close to them and then we'll just go behind them. Sorry, we're unique. We're the owners of this Jurassic Park. We'll do what we want.
What's embarrassing? The driving skills?
Okay. I'm letting the man lead. I'm letting the man lead. I will not.
Oh, he said you ain't growing buns if you don't eat.
You know what?
You better.
They're canceled. We're getting caught from all angles. No, he's dissing his mother. He's saying I'm not gonna grow any buns if I don't eat.
You do.
Daddy.
We gotta wait for Larissa and Josiah and Tito, okay?
Yeah, wait for mommy. See, Bob? Push back, mommy. When we go over there, we gotta check the car for the key.
Oh yeah, because we're gonna go do the train. Train goes 3:30 to 7.
And then we gotta go, no? We gotta do the trains, yeah?
Once the train is done, though, we do have to head out.
Yeah.
We gotta go get the babies. What do you think? That's it? That's it?
I should have worn this thing. This thing made me more sweatier.
Yeah.
Like,
No, maybe.
I'm wet.
I almost died.
Josiah was yelling at me.
Don't do that, Mario.
Because I kept trying to steer. I was trying to let the man lead, and I was having a hard time.
Don't play with it.
Definitely having a hard time. Don't gotta work on you before your husband.
Yeah, come on now.
Get off the grass, guys. There's some more poop.
Hey, careful with the wires, Eva.
You know, if you don't let me have a husband, I gotta keep bothering you.
She gonna live in your home with your wife.
She said no.
Yeah, after we leave. Now we're going to the train and then the sweet shop later.
Not later when we're done with the train.
Yeah, that's later.
I see kids right here.
Mm-hmm. No, we're going to the train that way.
No. It's gonna be the.
What are you doing?
You know,
This way.
gotta take a if you're gonna
No.
cheat right.
We're going to the train. Look, there's a train track and it's all the way over there. The train is...
Alright guys, in the fall, we're gonna come back and we're gonna take pictures. Look at the froggies.
Mommy, look it!
They're not real.
Come on, Nadia.
Mommy,
What?
look it!
I see, that's a cute painting. I would hang that in my living room.
Yeah, you would. Right next to the bear.
Yeah, I would hang this in my living room.
This is beautiful.
Right?
Take it slow. I knew that was going to happen, because just take it slow.
Mommy,
Hmm? It's
No.
gonna be...
We ended the video, Myron. What do you say? Like, subscribe, and follow. He's tired. He went ice cream. Okay.
Did you catch how he was looking at me?
Maybe, I don't know. Mi gente, ella está buscando un esposo. We missed the train because I want to go see the zoo. Now we're going home without going on the train.
That's okay.
Myron, over here.
You were fine, but there's no mosquitoes, though. Go by the animals and all that.
Oh, I was fine, but that's my fault because my natural instinct is when I get out the car for lotion, perfume, and so I just did it, and then I started thinking,
And then they come.
I said, I'm gonna go through.
That was too quick, I'm sorry.
Listen, girl.
I'm so sorry. You scared me too. I was like, what?
You almost got delivered in Jesus' name. All right, how about y'all go? I know where you want. Please roll the ice cream. Oh, no, like no, you be making enough.
Get him in the cup.
Somebody says, I hurt myself.
Remember?
Yeah.
I know, I should have got a small. I was trying to be
Ozzy, what do you think?
cool. I'm gonna mess. Cheers.
There's no more. There's vanilla. This is why you leave the toys inside the car so you don't forget it. You leave it inside the car, don't take it out.
Gracias Jesús por cada bendición que cambiaste en lección, sanando mi corazón. Cuando